Hi guys, come by my graduation dress with us.
There's no
Here's
way of
mommy driving. Mommy, say hi. Hi.
smell my feet.
Gahanap kami ngayon ng parking space because it's a Sunday and it's currently 11:31 a.m. and it's so traffic here.
Ano ito? Ay, bubble skirt.
Si mami nang titrip na lang. Sabi ni mami ano daw, dito daw punta kami sa loob bago lumabas. So, okay. Mami, I want something satin. Mami, this is not graduation material. Hi guys, this is cute. This is cute. I want to dress like this. But this is not graduation material.
Ay, ambot.
Ano mami? Where's mommy? Mommy, baga ako magbe-birthday. Look at me. I look like XS me. I look like it's not giving graduation. Look guys. Oy, baga ako magbe-birthday. Okay, happy birthday to me. I still look like someone na magbe-birthday. Pero mami mo si Tia fit nga di oh. Nanti pasuga di atas nga di. Asya ni tak gusto. Mano? It's pretty without the rose. Ay, detachable siya. Do I not look fat? Jillian, do I look okay?
Yes, you look okay without the flower. Wanna come in?
May na ako option.
Of course.
Oo.
Cinnabon smells karasa. Guys, gutom na ako.
Meron kaya here? We're gonna find something here. Update, I did not find anything. Here's a Forever 21. Okay, next up. Look what mommy found. Look what mommy found. Ala, that's pretty. This one's okay. Oo. Let me see. Hey guys, look what mommy and I found. Wait, how do I do this? Oh my god, this one's pretty. Oh my god. Wala, it's so pretty. Pero it's backless. Let's give it up. Ano? Let's take a moment. Ano yung sa TikTok na sound? Nakalimutan ko yung sound sa TikTok. Look, it's backless. So, I don't know if pwede siya pang graduation whatsoever. Pero, ang ganda niya, naiiyak ako. Mommy, mahusay. I like it.
Look at my gem.
Where'd you find it? Ah, siya pala yung nakikita.
It's just my missing bracelet.
Mahusay ano,
Just
it's so
my
pretty.
missing
This one's okay too, pero parang, Jillian, it's not giving, right?
Giving you're going to swim. It's giving you're going to swim. Without the slip. I like the other one better.
Yeah, me too. I like the other one better, but it's backless. Parang, I think this one's a no-go. Look at mommy's impression of this dress, of the second dress. Pero the other one's better. Oh, may something.
Wala niya, oh. Hindi yung mga pangkuan.
Hi guys, so far I've tried on 3 dresses. One from It Girl sa SM department and dalawa from Zara. And so far my top contender is this one. Yung pangalawa kong trinay from Zara. Hi guys, may napili na naman akong mga dress from Mango pero try ko lang. I still like the Zara one. Like, paglalaban ko talaga yon. Joke lang guys, I kind of like it pala. Ay, sorry. The fit is giving. Pero, medyo maluwag siya here. It's cute din.
Hala, ang cute. Para akong bata.
Hello? Ngayon lang ako nag-try ng gantong dress because feeling ko parang akong ewan tingnan kapag naka-bubble whatsoever. Because I'm small, feeling ko mas mukhang maliit. But like, ang cute niya lang. Look, it's cute. Kita ba? Sa Sunday, it's family day. It's a jam-packed MOA. And kanina pa kami nag-iikot kung saan kami kakain. Punong-puno sa food court. Like, my brother waited for like 15-20 minutes. Ay, dapat bababa kami. Sabi ni Mommy after lunch. Nadaanan namin yung DTF. Girl, gusto niyo ba makita yung pila? Like, oh my God. Ngayon, kung saan lang di mahaba yung pila, doon na lang kami kakain. Wherever that may be. I feel like we're gonna eat here. Look, there's no pila. Talagang sulit ang gutom. Gusto niyo din. Pwede man, di ko pa ito natatry. Joke guys. We ended up here sa katabi ng pepper lunch. It's Dotonbori. Dotonbori whatsoever. And I want salad. What just pick? Ano, Tim?
Waray pa. Wala pa.
I have another mic. Mami, ano po? Paikani salad or bacon Caesar salad? Maram kasi ako kani salad. Di ba asyeton may crab, may corn. Mommy's holding the other mic. So whatever noise you hear na di galing sa akin, that's mommy making the noise. Hindi man, pork yakiniko. Kain ito. No, but I want salad. Look, help me choose which salad. Chan chan. This is mine. Look at mine. This is mine.
Oh, hot, 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 hot! Hot, 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 hot!
Alam mo, cellphone naman niya. Mami, moram daw niya ako cellphone. Kapicture ako daw lani niya.
So, niya kumuha? Ako kaki.
Ilaw daw ako. I will try Janjans. Hindi nga na ako nakakakuha.
Dilo kami, extra pa man.
Matilawakin nga kanjilyan. Ano yun, Imi? Na kanjilyan? Chicken what? Chicken teriyaki. Rasat kanjilyan.
Okay kami. Bayaran ko. Bayaran ko niyan. Parang yan. Napanagay na. Napanagay na dito.
Kudogi up me too. I wanna try. Kami-nagi. Ano niya dyan?
Spicy tonkatsu ramen.
Spicy tonkatsu ramen.
Sino dahil di ba?
Naabot ha irong itiya harang. Oh! Nadiretso ko yan, ilas na.
Isip ko na ako.
Ako magpaan lang. Isang stick lang. Ubus ang salad.
Mapalit ka na yun, ano?
Dress. Yes, I will buy the dress. Mami bought this. Ano nito? Hanami dango? Dango? Ano tiya? Genshin.
Nakita ko yung Genshin.
Mochi ito.
Andus ako mag-try.
Ba't ang mahal ba?
Thank you po.
That's the dango. Let's try.
Tagusan na ba ito talaga?
Oh, one bite for everyone. Ano? How's the taste?
Powder.
Oh,
Pero feel ko na strawberry niya. Kailan mo niya? Pero di abot siya.
wait today. Ano ba? Yes, the chicken. Order KFC.
Klaro dahil na ano. Klaro dahil na Jollibee. Hello na! Stop stalling.
Julian doesn't like it.
Yo, try yellow. Citrus niya nga. Ano? Wako? What?
Tapos marasa?
Or nawa din.
Strawberry? Mas marasa strawberry. Ano yun? Matcha? Matcha?
Actually, nakakabusog na yan. Paborito mo matcha.
Marasa. Marasa strawberry. How is it?
Mas bet ko strawberry. Kari. Gusto tubig?
We're going back to buy the dress na. It's here. It's here. I need the small one. This one's small.
Okay ka, Lola.
We're gonna buy the dress.
Hi guys, so final, I want this dress. Look, I look so Disney princess.
Thanks, Mommy Cakes. Thanks, Mommy Cakes. Thanks, Mommy Cakes. Thanks, Mommy Cakes. Thanks, Mommy. Yay! It's there na. It's there na. It's there na. Ano naman? Closed toe, shoe, sandals, whatsoever for my graduation dress. Di man mo. Pero maraksot pa ni Tia Hill.
Wala, pero it's pretty.
Wala yung suga dito nga white la. Sige, because life is short and mamatay din naman tayong lahat. Diyan ka ditak dress. Daming tao talaga. Ay, maraksot. Wala, in it white. Kita nyo ba? With this, the white is not whiting. Mommy will be the final judge. Okay, but tira shade. Ano? Oo.
man.
Let me see. No, it's still too white. Mapansin ko talaga, box. Kadamo nini ng mga sandal. Look. The white is not whiting. Maghahanap na naman tayo. Ibabalik natin kung sila lahat.
Uy.
Parang mas mahirapan pa ako pumili ng sandals na babagay kesa sa dress itself. Give me the dress again. Okay ba, mi? It's silver? No. Look, can you see? Silvers are a no-go. Mas naangay ini. Nude color. This is okay. Ini ya. Diri gihap. Diri talaga. Musay nga sandal pero diri naangay. Yan. Angay heday.
Sulot lagi dress.
Ha?
Sulot yung dress.
Ay, maniyan. Maniano? Oo.
Yeah. My grad sandals. That one's Caitlyn ring bag. Tapos this one is my sandals. Thanks so much, Mommy Cakes. You want Cinnabon? Cinnabon, you'll always be loved. Look at the pila.
Ang haba, bakla. Pero sige lang. Just don't take it. It's worth the pila.
Wow! Mommy, I wanna switch places. Lugi ako takbo.
That's an insult.
Inalugi ako, Box.
I'm gonna picture you. Move here close here. Dali close.
Wait! I'm doing something.
Move closer lang.
Di na videoan. I don't know if it's because full storage na ako or nabangga sa kanila. Pero sayang. Anyway, we're done eating. Di nasama sa video yung natapon yung hot chocolate ni Mommy. Mommy, how was the hot chocolate? Hi! We on the way home! Another side quest because we forgot to buy some things.
Look, natapunan ako ng chocolate. Yung iniinom ni Mommy. It's white pa naman.
Sabi ni Caitlyn, black ID lace lang daw. Wala raw silang black ID lace lang mismo. So, I guess, ito na lang. Tapos, 3 pa box. Sabi niya manipis din. Is that manipis enough? Ayan, 3. This one is a composition music notebook whatsoever for Jillian. Thank you po! Tapos, pupuntahan ko naman right now si Janjan kasi nasa Jollibee siya. Bibilan niya ng dinner si Caitlyn kasi naiwan si Caitlyn sa amin sa bahay.
Ay, tayo ako na ikaw na-delete ka na. Kasi ko nag-video ka, kaya nag-start.
Nagbi-video ako! Guys, after ng video, like literal, after ko siyang i-stop, ginulat niya ako, te. Tapos, maraming mura ako. Tapos, tinawanan ako nung nakarinig. Tapos, like, sabi, bye-bye. Nagtinawaloan, nagbabantay. Tapos, ang guard. Anak reaction. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, guys.
Another side quest.
Oo, tungkod. We're gonna buy Lola's tungkod. May iba pa po ba nito?
Ganyan na po, ma'am, na kulay. Tapos yung chrome po.
Adi man, oh. Mas okay, adihin. Maraksot pa nito nga color. This is for Lola. Maraksot kasi aditiya pagka rose gold. What is that? Is that a red tourniquet? Hello. Mommy, red na tourniquet. Mommy! Mommy, it's red. Mommy. Preview. This is real. We're going home na. And we're home. Thanks for spending the day with us. Bye-bye.